Not long ago, I realized we needed more storage for the kids' toys. My kids have lots of toys. I think my wife buys them too many. It's definitely not me. I don't collect toys. Anyway, about the same time I was building that, wood walls became very popular. And they were very attractive to me because I despise drywall. So I decided to make a movie wall. You don't know what I mean, but I'll show you. This board I'm holding up has all the stains I like to use for quick reference, so I can hold it up and try to match stains quickly. Helps when you hold it the right way up. Here I'm just gathering the wood, getting set up for all my cuts. Right now you're wondering why in the world is he using a bandsaw? Well, I just got it, and I wanted to use it. So, that's why. Anyway, lots of cuts. Lots and lots of cuts. Whenever you're taking lots of measurements, it helps to write them down. But one of the problems with writing them down is I forget to label them. So then I get to go back downstairs and do more measurements because I don't remember what my measurements were for. And back outside. As I'm cutting, you can see my children running circles around me. I don't know why I'm tired all the time. Anyway, lots of cuts. Next, I did a little sanding, knocked the edges down because the kids do play on this wall. And then, little min wax. Lots of different colors. Some stain, some spectators, and then put up the boards. So far this video is just some random guy in his basement cutting pieces of wood, putting them on a random wall. But you'll see where we're going. Just stick with it. The wall's all trimmed and it looks like boxes. Now it's time to stencil them. And of course I started with rum. But the next one was inspired by one of our favorites, the Pirates of the Caribbean movies. I quickly decided on the size, drew out what I wanted, and then cut them out all by hand. I wanted to use hand because I wanted to be not perfect and look like it was really old. This took forever. Seriously, a really long time. Once I had the stencil done, I put it up there, and using some acrylic paints, I used a black and a gray, and just a cheap brush, and just pushed it on there randomly, hitting the gray, hitting the black, and never really doing it complete. Didn't want hard lines, I just wanted it to look old. Now that the wall had rum and pirates on it, it was time to add some Roger Rabbit theming. Man, that stencil took a really long time. It was like 4 feet wide. By now my hand hurts. I'm tired. I don't want to do anymore. But it's Roger Rabbit! None of the rest of the stencils were all that big, but they had lots of letters and would have taken me forever. So I hopped on the computer and sketched up some stuff for the Cricut Maker. My wife has a Cricut in her sewing room, and I thought, well, my hand already looks like the claw after Chandler played the video games for 6 hours, so I need to do... Oh my god. It took like 10 seconds. Anyway, here we go. Here's some more. I wanted to add some more Disney theming inside the house because, well, I'm a nerd. And this particular box can be found at the end of the Jungle Cruise. Another couple stencils on the Cricut, and now time to stencil the final box. Who doesn't have a recreation of the Raiders of the Lost Ark box? I mean, honestly, who just puts wood on a wall and says it's pretty? I don't know. I was tired at this point, so I needed some help. I just didn't think I could pull the stencils off the wall anymore. So luckily the youngest helped me. Look at that. Well, a little decorating, a couple pillows. There you have it. My home movie wall. Who's that guy? I wish there was a secret compartment. That'd have been awesome.